scale drawings, and we have some notes that we need to take, some vocab words we need to talk about before we get started on this unit. So the first thing is similar. That is when two shapes are the same shape but different sizes, and their side lengths are proportional. For example, we could have two triangles. They're both going to be right triangles. Maybe this one side lengths are 1, 2, and 3, and then this one would be 2, 4, and 6. So the side lengths are proportional because you're multiplying the side lengths of the little one times 2 to get the side lengths of the big one. They're the same shape. They're both right triangles, but they're different sizes. That makes them similar. If two shapes are congruent, they are the exact same size and shape, and the side lengths are the same. So that would be just two identical triangles. Okay, if we go with right triangles again, the side lengths, if it was 2, 3, and 4, it would be 2, 3, and 4 again. They're going to be exactly the same. Okay, make sure you are writing all of this down, all of the vocab words, the definitions, and the pictures that I'm drawing. And then the last one we have are corresponding side lengths and angles. If the shapes, that is when, if the shapes were overlapped, their corresponding parts would be in the same position. Okay? So if I took these two triangles and put them on top of each other, the points and the angles that are in the same spot would be corresponding. Okay? So let's look at two different triangles. Say we have triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In these two triangles, if I put this one over top of this one overlapping, then A would correspond to D. So A would correspond to D. B would be corresponding with E. And C would correspond to F. They would be in the exact same position. In terms of side lengths, AC down here would correspond to DF. AB, this side up here, would correspond to DE. And then BC on this side would correspond to EF. Okay? Sometimes the shapes will be turned, and one might be bigger, one might be smaller. This works for similar and congruent shapes, but if you take the two shapes, line them up, and then overlap them, whichever sides or angles are in the same position are called corresponding. Okay, and that's going to help us solve for different side lengths, different angles, solve different problems. So that is going to be really important to understand what corresponding means. Okay, that's all for notes. Let's look at some practice.